Hello children, today we'll learn how to make a circle using repeat command. Okay, first of all, to make a circle, you only think how you can, if you want to, we have the commands FD and RT. To move and to take a turn, what we can write? If we'll write FD 10, okay, then if we take a turn by 45 degree, then a turtle will take a turn like this. Then how we can make turtle circle? So we'll write FD1 and RT1. This time I'll directly make, because if I'll show how turtle is taking turn, so you will be not able to see the circle. RT1 means if your turtle is here, then and we write RT1, then your turtle will take a turn like this, very small turn. Okay, RT1. Now I'm showing you how we can make circle with FD1 RT1. FD1, and you only assume now that here is turtle, and if turtle will take a turn, then it will turn very small. Turtle will take very small turn. FD1 RT1, FD1 RT1, FD1 RT1, like this. FD1 RT1 means a very small turn by 1 degree in a right direction, and FD1 means to move in the same direction by one step only. So FD1 RT1 RT1 means this you have to write again and again. FD1 RT1 FD1 RT1 FD1 RT1 FD1 RT1. This full you have to write FD1 RT1 FD1 FD1 RT1. Okay, so like this steps you have to write, but you have to write 360 times. FD1 RT1. Will you write FD1 RT1 360 times? I am not writing here only. We are smart enough, so will not write FD1 RT1 360 times. We'll give the command to the turtle like this. Repeat. What to repeat? We'll put the bracket also. What to repeat? FD1 RT1, but you have to mention also how many times you want to write. So 360. So like this we are giving command to the turtle. Please repeat this command FD1 RT1 360 times. Got it? What we have done? We have done the circle using repeat command. We are giving command to the turtle to repeat this command 360 times. Fine. So this is how we can make circle. This now I will show, I'll show how to write the commands. Next time I'll show how we can make any pattern with circle, but this time I'll show how to write the commands, how to put the brackets on Turtle Academy. Okay, you have to open any browser. I am opening the Chrome one. Now here you have to type MS Logo Online Editor. As I explained last time also, you can open online logo interpreter, free online turtle or Turtle Academy. You can open any platform. It's up to you. You can practice on any. I'm opening the Turtle Academy. From here you have to select playground option. I'm selecting playground. Now here you can see the simple background. Here turtle shape is turtle only. Fine. Now as I discussed how to make circle. So first I am writing the commands without repeat command. So to make circle I am writing FD1 RT1. I'm giving command to the turtle to move in the same direction by one step and to turn by one step only. Okay, so here you cannot see a proper line because step 1 is very small step, so as you cannot see easily. I'm writing again FD1 RT1. I'm writing second time this FD1 RT1, third time FD1 RT1, fourth time FD1 RT1, five time FD1 RT1, sixth time FD1 RT1, seventh time FD1 RT1, eighth time. Now I in the lesson plan I mentioned two commands. The first one is HT and the second one is ST. HT means hide turtle. Now I want to hide my turtle, so I will write HT. Okay, to hide the turtle. I want to see how much means what I have done exactly with FD1 RT1. Because of the turtle I am not able to see the line, so I am hiding the turtle with the help of HT command. So here you can see I have done this much, a very small line. Okay, now if you want your turtle again, so ST. Fine. So today we learn two new command also with repeat. HT means hide and ST means show turtle. Like this you can see small steps. Fine. Now I already discussed for circle we have to write FD1 RT1, so we'll not write 360 times. For that we will write repeat command, REPEAT, repeat, and 360 because we have to mention the number of step also, means we are giving command to the turtle to repeat 360 times. And from here you have to put square bracket. Then which step you have to repeat? FD space bar 1 space bar RT space bar 1 and close the bracket. Enter. Now you can see your circle. And again if you want to hide the turtle, again HT, enter to hide the turtle, and ST to show the turtle. Okay, so like this we can make circle and we can make many patterns using circle. So do the practice of the same. Thank you so much children. Happy learning. Be safe and healthy.